Okay, number 43 on page 26. The directions are asking you to find the coordinates of a missing endpoint given that S is the midpoint of RT. So what we have is we would have R and we would have T and S would be our midpoint. So in number 43, T has been given to you and S has been given to you. So we are missing R. So if we were connect, if S had to be the midpoint, that means R has to be someplace up over here so that S would be the midpoint between the two of them. So your first option is, again, just to use your coordinate plane. I'm just going to use slope. So from T to S, I'm going up 2 and over 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to repeat that. Up 2, over 1, 2, 3. And that is where R should go. And then it needs the order pair. So the order pair would be 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 7 would be the order pair. Okay, your other option, which you'll probably have to use for number 45, is to actually just use the slope formula, or the midpoint formula. So here is, again, the midpoint formula. Okay, there's a midpoint formula. So the S is the midpoint. So this has to equal that when we're done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, what x value plus this -4 divided by 2 would equal the -1 for the midpoint? And then same thing for the y. What y value plus 3 divided by 2 would give us the y value answer. So there's my answer that I'm looking for, -1, 5. So I've basically just set up two small algebraic equations I'm going to solve. So I'd multiply both sides by 2. And then I'm going to add 4. And I'm going to get that x is 2. So the x coordinate would be 2, just like we found on the coordinate plane. All right, so I'm going to try to find the y coordinate. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And then subtract 3. And I'm going to get that the y coordinate is 7. So that means the order pair would be 2, 7. So if I went back up, let me try to get this all on one page. Here we go. -4 plus 2 divided by 2 should give me -1. And then 3 plus 7 divided by 2 will give me 5.